Okay, I'm gonna start my demo for PA3. So for my FIFO, I changed my creed to support a buff to perform to accept the buffs, and my open pipe is an open IPC. I just left that an open pipe from PA1, and so here are my creeds and my FIFO definitions. Okay. And so now my MQ request is defined here. I did not I know the instructor our instructor said to delete and the deconstructor, but I was getting, when I did implement delete, it was getting some segmentation faults in some of the commands, or basically all commands. So I decided to go, delete that, since it was deleting some information that was causing sig faults. Okay, so here's the header from my MQ request channel. And so now my SHM, here I define my my constructor and deconstructor, deleting the buffs from in the deconstructor, and header with the sim on unique and the closes. Okay, then we have to compare from server to client. So client, so for my server, it wasn't much changed except for, well, of course, from FIFO request channel, I've changed it to request channel on my variables or wherever I define them. And then down here is where I did the most change. As you can see, before I would just do this. Now I'm actually requesting a channel depending on the file, depending on the command. And then my client is where I changed quite a few. I changed my timestamp from on function, rather than iterating it every time I called for a if statement. So here's one example. I'll call it every time an if statement will be in. And now so here's my new request for a new channel. Oh, that's not good. My buffer, my get the data from buffer and data to file. And I added new instances in my while loop from getup, new cases. And I deleted most of this functions and replaced it with my functions created above of my main. So now let me do my link. I think anything changed. No, I did. Alright. And so now show copy. Oh, I also implemented histogram into my code. I took this class last year, and that was the way we displayed our data. So control. So I implemented the same, almost the same. I implemented almost the same instance here. Okay, so my histogram at work. I get the timestamp. Get my histogram. Okay, and then for these two, this is where I come into errors or run into problems with the MQ. So saying that I didn't delete, so that's causing problems for the space. And so this is gonna have a segmentation fault. When I was deleting, all of these three would get some segmentation faults. So I decided to at least one will work rather than have none of them work. So truncate to one, and then copy. So here gets the data. My C is not my channel request is having problems too. I have a default for it. So here's my timestamp. Paste. Okay. Paste. So the same threads, different time, and then I believe I get a segmentation fault here. No, I get the space. Okay. Segmentation point here. The same data, different time. So I'm still gonna try to fix the code, but if I don't figure out a way to fix the segmentation faults or the space capacity, I'm just gonna submit it like that and submit this video. I will also add some comments between the codes so we can make it easier for you to analyze. Thank you for your time.